Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Mr. ODG is my name, face and owner of ODG Graphics, and today I'm going to be showing you a cheat code. Today's cheat code is how to use or get access to CapCut Pro's features absolutely for free. Yeah. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video.
First things first, you're going to need to get CapCut. So if you don't already have CapCut, I'd suggest you download it from the official website and install it. And if you're watching this from a Windows, don't worry, just follow the same steps and you'll get the same result. And if you're using a Mac, you can always download CapCut from the App Store. You don't want to download it from the official website. Once you have CapCut installed, you can now proceed to open the application. Once CapCut is open, you're going to see Sign In and Join Pro. Don't sign in, don't join Pro. Rather, click on the gear icon towards the top right and tap on Settings. Once the Settings dialog box opens up, you're going to see 4 tabs: Draft, Edit, Performance, General. As our main concern for today is Draft. This is the genesis, so pay attention to this part. With this, we're specifying where we want the videos in our CapCut Draft to be saved to. And as you can see, I've created a folder on my desktop called CapCut Draft. Mind you, this folder can be saved on anywhere at all you would want to save it on your machine. I just chose to use my desktop for this tutorial. Once that's done, you can now proceed to closing CapCut and opening it again, or going straight into editing a video and using all the pro features you would love to use. As you can see, this video right here is a video I did for a client. It's an Instagram reel, and I used all the pro features I could to make the video look good. And when I try to export, you can see all the pro features that I use for editing this particular video. Now, the trick I usually do is every time I'm done editing a particular video and using all the pro features, I come and create a duplicate of that particular video. I do this so that in case there's a problem with the duplicate, I can always go back to the original and start all over again. Now, just to confirm the draft, go to your CapCut Draft folder and see if you can find the name of that particular draft video that you're working on. For example, I'm working on Jacinto Reel for tutorial. When you find the folder you're working on, open it and look for another folder called resources. Open a particular resources folder and you see 3 other folders. There's supposed to be one more folder called combination. It's not there yet. Keep watching this video, you're gonna get there. After you confirm the folder, come back and open up the video you're editing. What you're gonna do next is select all the videos and clips on your timeline. After you do that, double click and tap on create compound clip. What this does is that it groups all the clips on the video and makes it one whole video. And after that's done, double click again on the video and then go and select pre-processed compound clip. This usually takes time, so be sure to have patience, but eventually it's going to be pre-processed. What this does is that it turns the video and makes it an entirely new video, embedding all of the features that you've already used. And if I go to export, you can see that I still have the pro features being shown. Go back to your CapCut Drafts folder, then look for the folder of the video you're working on. Tap on it and then look for the folder called resources. And now when you open the folder called resources, now you should see a folder called combination. Open the combination folder and enter the combination folder. That is your video with all your pro features without having to pay a single dime.
See, now I don't know about you, but if you ask me, this is like something that is way too good to be out in the open just like that. But I saw it somewhere and I don't like to gatekeep, and I'm like, nah, I need to share. Hence why I'm making this video. Guess what? This is a glitch. Once CapCut's developers see or notice this glitch, they're gonna fix this glitch. So the best thing to do is to make the most out of this glitch before you notice something about it. So if you know any content creator friend, or you know somebody who does video edits, let them have this video because this video is gold. Don't say I never did anything for you. Okay? Thank you. That being said, if you found this video valuable or helpful, please smash the like, leave a comment, or subscribe so that my next tips or next cheat codes you'll be the first to know. Enough said, peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Mr. ODG out.